Hi guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic horizontal for the week of Monday, April 19th through to the 25th. And I had like a little bit of a realization the other day. I'm like, I've used all of my new sticker books from the spring release, and then I'm like, nope, haven't used this one yet. So plus the main reason I'm using a different sticker book for my classic horizontal today versus having it match with my two minis is because I ran out of stickers. Never had that happen before. All right, so we'll be using colorful florals today. Let's get started. Okay, so I've already had a look through the stickers in here, and I'm like, how am I gonna do this? I'm just gonna take it as it goes. So I'm just gonna grab this first sticker that I see here. It just says, I must have flowers, always and always. And I'm gonna end up putting it right over where it says Monday and Tuesday, which I don't mind at all because I know those days are Monday and Tuesday. So I'm going to also put, I didn't want to overthink this, so I'm gonna put focus on gratitude. And then do I want to put a box sticker? Because I don't know if there are a lot of boxes in here. I mean, there's those. I could do that. Today's focus. Although not, but like it's pointing down. It just looks awkward to me. Does that look, it looks awkward. So for the next time. Okay. And then there's pretty florals in here, like pretty. So I'm gonna just grab one and maybe put this one down first. And then, oh gosh, of course that's not straight. And then put that one down there. And then I'm going to put another focus on gratitude on that one. Oh, and that like takes out the whole thing, so there we go. Okay, that's better. And then I wanted to use one of these, like the ones that are, yes, just a big honkin' bouquet. But I feel like maybe that would be better served down here or here. Yeah, I could put it here. Actually, why does it have to go that way? Why don't I put it this way? And then I could still put something underneath, like, ooh, I like this. I am happy, I know I can. I share joy. I love that. I'm happy with that. Okay, then for this corner, let's choose, oh, there's those. So I can work with one of these. And one of these, I know I can. Whoops. And then, what else could I put that with? This is a tough one. I mean, these are pretty. Maybe I will use a small black and white one to pair it with. The thing with this already I can tell is that it's not going to look like my usual journaling because I don't feel like I have the exact same sticker on every single one. So I have stickers all over me. This is what happens with planning when you get stickers all over you. I'm going to try and cut this one in. How do I want it? Do I want it like this? And that may not be straight. I really should have used a ruler. Okay, I think that will work. And put that down. Oh, that's so pretty. And then put the I know I can. Actually, put this one down first. And then the I know I can over top. That's the proper layering that I like. Okay. Then use the other half of this for Friday. And do a similar thing where I can do the focus on wellness because I do have a day off that day. And then I will take there's another, there we go. Just a box. I'm actually really loving the yellow. Loving the yellow. I don't mind if I cover up the word Friday. Okay. Then Saturday, I'm going to go back to one of those boxes that, like these. I feel like I could do this with the Saturday. No, not this one. It has to be the other one. It has to be this one. So that I can turn it upside down like this. And then I'm going to place, I have no idea. Let's see. Yeah, the whole thing with this type of spread is that it kind of is like trial and error. I celebrate today with, ooh. That's the thing. I did this the last time and it felt like it was complete just with the two. So I'm happy with that. And then Sunday, oh, I love that. Could I use this? Oh, and it's a translucent sticker. Because I don't know where else that would fit. Just gonna put it down. Just put it down. And then I'm going to put this keep glowing and growing. And then I'm going to put just a little floral here to kind of match this. I know there was a little floral. Just a teensy one. Okay, I lied. There isn't. Oh yes, there is. So I could take this basically and cut it in half, kind of like I did with the other one. Ruler. Remember that this time, a ruler. Okay. And place that just like so. That way I still have room to write here if I want to. And then I'm going to take one of those boxes. There with, oh, he already used a purple. I am healthy. Okay, let's have a look at it overall and see how I feel about the whole thing. What do you guys think? It's definitely different to what I'm used to, but I think that's also because the sticker book is different. I think once I actually fill it in, I think I'm gonna like it. All right, but that is it for me. I'm gonna leave it because I feel like if I do add any more, it's just gonna drive me crazy. And sometimes somebody commented, because I basically said this, it's best to not overthink it. Just sometimes put the sticker down, move on. Okay, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.